Have you ever wondered why some people seem to build wealth year after year while others work just as hard but never get ahead? The answer usually isn't a secret stock, a lucky investment, or a huge salary. More often, it's the habits they follow consistently. In today's video, we're going to explore 10 powerful investment habits that can help you make smarter financial decisions and build wealth over time. These habits aren't about getting rich overnight. Instead, they're about creating a strong financial foundation that can benefit you for years to come. Whether you're just starting your investing journey or you've already invested before, these principles can help you develop a disciplined approach. Let's begin with the first habit. Habit number 1. Invest before you spend. Many people save whatever money is left at the end of the month. The problem is, there's often nothing left to save. Bills, shopping, subscriptions, and daily expenses can quickly consume your income. A different approach is to treat investing like any other important bill. As soon as you receive your income, set aside a fixed amount for your investments before spending on non-essential items. Even a small amount invested consistently can make a meaningful difference over time. Habit number 2. Invest consistently. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is waiting for the perfect time to invest. In reality, predicting market movements consistently is extremely difficult. Instead of trying to time the market, consider investing regularly, whether weekly or monthly. This disciplined approach can help reduce the impact of short-term market fluctuations and encourages long-term consistency. Habit number 3. Think long-term. Financial markets naturally go through periods of growth and decline. Short-term price movements can be unpredictable, but many investors focus on long-term goals rather than reacting to every market swing. Patience allows investments more time to potentially grow and helps avoid decisions driven by short-term emotions. Habit number 4. Diversify your portfolio. Putting all your money into a single investment increases your risk. Diversification means spreading your investments across different assets, sectors, or companies. If one investment performs poorly, others may perform differently, helping reduce overall risk. Diversification doesn't eliminate risk, but it can make your portfolio more balanced. Habit number 5. Build an emergency fund first. Before taking significant investment risks, it's often wise to have an emergency fund for unexpected expenses such as medical bills, job loss, or urgent repairs. Having a financial cushion can prevent you from selling investments at an inconvenient time just to cover emergencies. Habit number 6. Avoid emotional investing. Fear and greed are two emotions that frequently influence investment decisions. Some people panic and sell when markets decline, while others buy impulsively when prices are rising rapidly. Successful investing often involves following a plan rather than reacting emotionally to short-term market movements. Habit number 7. Keep learning. The financial world changes continuously. New industries emerge, companies evolve, and economic conditions shift. Reading books, studying company reports, following reliable financial news, and learning from experienced investors can improve your understanding over time. Knowledge is one of the most valuable investments you can make. Habit number 8. Reinvest your returns. Instead of spending every dividend or investment gain, consider reinvesting it. Reinvesting allows your money to generate additional returns over time, a process often referred to as compounding. While results are never guaranteed, compounding has historically been a powerful principle in long-term investing. Habit number 9. Review your investments regularly. Investing doesn't mean buying and forgetting forever. Periodically reviewing your portfolio helps ensure your investments still align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Avoid checking prices obsessively every day, but make time to review your overall strategy at regular intervals. Finally, habit number 10. Stay patient and disciplined. Building wealth usually takes time. Markets will have ups and downs, and there will be periods of uncertainty. Investors who stay focused on their long-term plan, continue learning, and remain disciplined are often better positioned to navigate changing market conditions than those constantly chasing quick profits. Remember, investing is a journey, not a race. Small, consistent actions taken over many years can have a meaningful impact. The goal isn't to become rich overnight. It's to build healthy financial habits that support your future. If you found this video helpful, consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and sharing it with someone who wants to learn more about finance and investing. Let me know in the comments which of these 10 habits you already follow and which one you're planning to start. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.